Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss how we can write a simple post request in K6 tool. For that, guys, the import will be same as get request. So we'll use same import HTTP from K6 HTTP as we have seen in the get request, and we'll write here export function, export default function, open bracket, close bracket, click on enter. Here we'll write all the content. Here we'll writing let response equal to HTTP post HTTP test.k6.io. Also we are adding grant type and profile ID. After that, we'll put console.log of response body. Okay. Now let me run this simple post method. So for running this, just run k6 run post.js. Now it has completed it. Let us modify the URL little bit. Let me add http bin test.k6.io. Anything here. If I run the same k6 post run.js, click on enter. I can see the body here. What and all grant type I have given. This is the form. These are the headers. So content type will be this www form URL encoded. This is the host. This is the agent, and this is the X scheme, that is HTTP. So method is post and we'll get URL and origin. This is a simple post request. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.